Hi everyone, and welcome back to Colour Your Senses with Crown Paints and Good Food. Today we're looking at how to bring the colours and flavours of France into your home, just like Barney did. So we'll be chatting about Bordeaux.
I absolutely love Bordeaux. It's one of my favourite places in the world. I actually lived there for about 6 months. I was working there, and on my days off, I used to visit these beautiful little wine bars. Obviously, Bordeaux is famous for its wines. And one thing they all had in common was they were super cosy. They were low lit, and they all had the same coloured walls, this plum colour. So when I came across Grape Escape by Crown Paints, that was the colour I wanted for my dining room.
It's a beautiful dusty plum shade. I love how it's warmed up the space and added a touch of luxury.
But when you think about cooking with wine, they don't tend to think of it as a sweet ingredient. And actually, it's a beautiful ingredient to use in desserts. And the one thing I think it works beautifully with, but you don't see that often, is chocolate. They have very similar flavour profiles that work beautifully together. It's a bit like colours that work well together. And so with this tart, I wanted to make like a rich, complex chocolate tart. It's basically a big chocolate truffle.
Barney, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Can you tell me how you made it?
We've taken some really good Bordeaux red wine. We've done nothing more than add a bit of sugar, and we've brought it down to burn off that alcohol, so you just get the flavour of the red wine that's been sweetened into a syrup, and that's just gone over the top to give it this beautiful mirror glaze. So are you ready to try some?
I'm ready to try some.
You know what I find incredible? It's sensory. It's like time travel. Flavour, colour, they all trigger memories. There's something about the depth of this Grape Escape and the flavour of this tart that just takes me straight back to Bordeaux.
So when would you usually serve this dessert, and who would you share it with?
I'd say autumn into winter. Also really good at Christmas because it can all be made ahead. You can make it 2 days ahead. Very similar to the colour scheme, very cosy. It's a really cosy dessert that I think matches beautifully with the Grape Escape.
Definitely sets the mood for relaxed, convivial, entertaining, doesn't it? If you want to bring some of this coziness into your home, you can find the full recipe and more colour inspiration now on the Crown Paints Hub.